We are about to enter a hidden land, a place where everything glows with the color of warmth, orange like firelight, like fruit, like dawn. This is where one girl who carries a light of her own. Her name is Zarela, and her journey begins now. This is my home, the orchard by the cliffs. The trees grow glowing orange fruit that hum when the wind moves. At sunset, everything here turns golden. It feels like the sky is breathing with the leaves. I followed the path down to the river where the orange lilies bloom. They float like folded dreams, orange, peach, and white. This is the Library of Wind. The scrolls float until they land in your hands. This is the Skyroot Bridge. Above me, orange butterflies glowing like fireflies. I found the Crystal Garden. One fruit from the orchard bloomed into orange light, like the color of hope